Dude, 5,400 mile round trip. And the moment of truth has arrived. We're at the track. Kathy, insert the generic go into the track montage.
How long is it?
About 15 seconds. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, what is the plan?
Well, I'm going to check my tires.
Okay.
I'm going to make sure nothing important's falling off. Then I'm going to get in the lanes, and I'm going to run down once and see what it's like out there.
All right.
If I can get it to stick to the ground, then I guess we'll line up or something.
Well, you know, it's tricky. It's tricky, you know. You're not used to this Christmas tree. You're not going to be used to the timing of the lights, you know. The starting line is slightly uphill, so you might be rolling back. You don't want to bog this thing, you know what I'm saying? So you got to get that RPM up there. You don't want to bog it, but you don't want to go too high or be using the winch to pull it back up, and then you lose the whole ice cream cake thing.
That would be unfortunate.
Yeah, so it's a fine line. All fine lines. It all comes down to critical thought, you know, complete, total focus, critical thought.
You see him psyching me out right now? Do you see
What?
this?
What are you accusing me of?
Old age and treachery, I believe it's called.
Dude, would I do that to you?
I think you would.
Wow, the ballast resistor for your windshield washer is unplugged. I wonder if there are any other things that might not be fastened correctly around the car.
That broke today.
Ah.
Isn't that cool? It's been on there for 53 years.
So you're having that kind of luck today. If I were you, then I would leave easy and take the risk of bogging, because this is clearly an omen. 53 years, and finally this thing lets go. Dude, easy off the clutch. Easy off the clutch. Better to bog than to brake.
I do appreciate you reading the tea leaves like that. That's helpful.
All right. So then, let's get you over in the lanes to see what's going through.
Let's do it.
Yeah. All right. So what did the first run look like?
It wasn't bad. I think it's a little jitters, and he may or may not have chicken-footed, but
Where did he go?
He ran a 904.
Okay.
Car sounded good. It had a real. I mean, you could hear it shift. It's like it's a, you know, it's a loud transmission.
Okay.
So, but it was clean. It went straight, left straight.
What do you think it has in it on a clean pass?
It's probably an 840 car.
Could be close.
Yeah.
All right.
But yeah, maybe he'll let me drive it.
Oh, you want to drive it? Let's go get ready to run.
Well, it's faster than ever, but it's not fast enough.
Where'd you go?
910.
910?
910. I rolled out of the lights,
Okay.
so then it had to reset, and then I just biffed it. I didn't let go of the button, and
What was mile an hour?
mile an hour. 82.
Okay, that's...
Oh, it's got it.
It's
It's
got
just
it.
I gotta get the program together.
All right, but that was a
The
good
first
test
one
run.
was great, except it bogged like crazy.
Well, you know, now we're going to go race, right?
I guess so.
Well, now is when the pressure is on.
That's
'Cause
right.
You got to thread the needle. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
The pressure is
So,
on.
so you're saying that
I'm saying that if you thought it was difficult before,
right now it's gonna be
now,
the hardest.
oh my
ever.
God,
Got it. Yeah.
it's a whole new level of stress because it's
Perfect.
competition.
Yeah, sounds
So
great.
you know,
Yeah.
right RPM, right
Got it.
off the clutch.
Right,
Gotta
right.
put the car in the right place on the starting line.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Right.
Right. Third gear. Very, very, very careful.
Oh, you heard that, did you?
I'm just saying, bro.
The good news is it's got a rev
I
limiter.
don't want to see you blow a gear. Third gear shift. Practice in your mind. Focus on it.
Yeah.
If I was driving this thing, I would be obsessed with that third gear shift. But that's just me. You know?
Anything else that I need to think about?
Yes, absolutely. Start line RPM. How are you going to come off the clutch? You don't want to bog it. You don't want to spin it. You don't want to break it. Dude, you're threading the needle, right? Under the most stressful circumstances you can imagine. I mean, look, I'm your buddy. And I want to see you do good. You see what I'm saying? But there were tens of thousands of people out there that are watching every single thing you do. So make it count. Tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands.
Maybe.
You know what I'm saying? How many different channels? My channel, your channel, Dr. Art's channel.
And look at this, Jamie. You should be proud because Kathy, you can see he clearly pulled the front tire.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
It did a little bunny hop.
It did.
It means you're right on the edge.
I'm close.
It means you're right on the edge. Okay?
Shift a little sooner.
Speed kills.
But oh yeah.
Did I say that?
Yeah, no, that's true.
Did I say
That's
that?
very true. It's very true.
Yeah, you're hitting the rev limiter.
I'd hate to get hurt out there.
I don't want to see you get hurt out there.
I'm not hitting the rev limiter.
Third
I didn't
gear.
let go of the two-step.
Boom!
Oh.
I've never run it before.
Okay.
Like Wednesday.
Okay.
I got it. Hello.
Make
Anybody
Mopo Joe
home?
proud. You ready to go?
But you chopped
In a
up.
second.
You went from a 950 to a 910 in one run.
It wasn't a 9.
Yeah. Yeah.
904.
Oh no. Okay. But yeah, you almost a half second.
It's there.
Careful. Don't get too overconfident. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Just
is
breathe.
this the face of an overly confident man?
No, but listen to me. I'm doing this for a long time. Question everything. Okay? Question everything. All right, you got it.
Where you want me?
Go straight back by the tractor. We'll get
Yes, sir.
till you pull your teeth. Right, where you parked it?
Over there. I got a ramp truck.
Can you give me over here alone? Good. Where's park cars done this stuff for the
Somewhere. Yeah, so
I thought so. There's just nobody home.
so what happened?
I think the rear diff. I can't even talk. The rear diff exited the chat.
No longer ringing or pinion.
No, it's not doing any of those things.
You would have had a really good chance.
I know.
Because mine stuttered all the way through first. It cleaned up in second and high gear, but I was expecting any second now. I'm like, there goes Jamie. Where's Jamie?
Jamie never left. Jamie's still at home.
I was in the right lane, right?
Yeah.
And I look over on my left, I don't see you. I just had a reflex. I looked over to my right. Maybe you don't have a front of guardrail. Dude, I am so sorry.
I ain't even mad. I ran my fastest pass ever, and then it launched so hard it broke itself. It's awesome.
You see things the way I do. I know, I agree, yeah.
We can rebuild.
We will rebuild. What you guys can do?
I was gonna ask if I could at least get a bite.
No, dude,
it's warm out here.
Your cake.
Oh,
Your
you're too
cake.
kind. I didn't earn it.
Well, it's melted. We didn't have enough ice in the thing.
The mistake is you don't want it.
Take it, it's yours. You won.
I won something. I won the game of life.
Oh, we're gonna have to do this again. You're gonna have to tow. Huh? We're gonna have to do this again at some point, which means you're gonna have to tow another 40, 50, 100 miles.
Yeah.
Dude,
He did that in my face a bit ago.
yeah. Listen, this is what they call it drag racing.
Because you have to drag it.
You have to drag it back.
Drag it home once in a while.
Right.
Yeah. Well, you know, the good news is I built a ramp truck, so.
And what a marvelous device that is.
I know. It's great.
All right. So guys, that's it. I'm sorry. I didn't get a good run out of that. And you got an even worse run out of that. So.
Well, one, I think.
Thank you for a good effort. An amazing effort.
Thanks for hosting.
Superhuman effort, because not many people would do what you did. Dead Dodge Garage. Yeah, go sub. He's a hero. I swear to God, he's a hero.
I have to drive 12 hours to Minnesota now.
12.
Can I ask you to do something for me really quick?
Hey, Gordon, 12.
So my channel is all about living life beautifully. And can you
I
guys,
live life beautifully. I'll see you tomorrow.
Right out of the hole, it was beautiful, except it bogged like crazy the first run, and the second run I screwed up. Anyway, I just thought you'd want to know that. I gotta go eat ice cream. All right. Oh. All right. Thanks for everything.
It got a little warm. But you could drink it.
You have a straw, yeah, for your cake.
It's all gonna fall out of the box. You got a straw?
Hey, wait a minute. Where's my tool set? No point.
I need it.
Never mind.
All right, that's it. Now we'll see you tomorrow. Race.
I know.
I really wanted a race.
Yeah, the good
And you
news is-
might have had one.
Now you cut down to 8 3/4, but the advantage is you're never breaking again.